Alright, what you could have seen there is that my exhaust port is not blowing sawdust, so it means I gotta clean it out. Hang on. So here's the issue. This is some pretty wet and thick stuff. It's not easily coming through, so I think I'm going to get a pair of diagonals or some pliers and cut out this one and maybe this one to get some more room to exit. I'll see. Okay, we got a file, we got diagonals, some nail pullers. That's a hacksaw blade and a file over here. And this is what we're going to try to take care of. That's really been thrown out, a lot of dust, not plugging up, so I think that worked out well. Alright, so our exhaust port's working better, but now this is not usually bent at this angle. It's supposed to be like this. Now, did the weld break there and this tip forward? But anyways, it looks, I don't know if you can see in there. Maybe not enough light. But it looks like the exhaust pipe is cracked. So that's interesting. Alright, so took an old end from a bungee just so we don't have cloth touching the heat part. And we attached it to a bungee which goes down and wraps around so that this keeps it tight so it doesn't flop over and break off. My feeling is that as soon as I try to take whatever bolts off I need to get underneath there, I don't even know how I would do that, it will break off, and it's probably not good to be running the engine without a exhaust pipe and muffler. But when I stop for lunch, I will go and look at the literature and order the new part. But until then, I think this is going to suffice. Well, we do have a very nice maple cant here. I think we're going to cut a bunch of 1 inches off the top and leave a 2-inch piece off the bottom, maybe 1.5 inches off the bottom. Anyways, let's look. So this belongs on there. Can we see there? Yeah, I guess that's where it's supposed to be connected to, and it has broken off. So we're gonna have to buy a new one. We're gonna finish up this, and then we'll have to put this on the side till I get new parts.